garage door comes up.
And a Corvette rolls out.
I mean.
And it wasn't just a Corvette. It's the Corvette of Corvettes. Yeah. 63 split window. It does not get better.
If you don't like this car, you've got issues.
Serious issues.
It's time to move.
Yeah.
You might have to talk to your employee about how he drives your cars.
That employee would be my son.
How you doing?
I'm Shag. This your company car?
Something like that, yeah.
Yeah?
Hi, Amanda. Nice to meet you, Lorenzo.
Man, how you doing?
So obviously the crown jewel in the car collection is the 63 split window. My dad had always wanted one, and I'm kind of the one who finds most of the cars that we buy, just because he doesn't have time to sort through it. I kind of know what he's looking for and what he likes, and I kind of just, you know, sometimes for fun, just go and start to see what is out there. So this is one that I ended up finding a few years back, and he ended up buying. So we had flown out to see a few different cars, and it just never was the one that, you know, that felt right. So this was the one. Won a few Best of Show awards at local car shows. The car looked really good, and like I said, it was really put together, but it just has that touch now. After the Martin brothers, you know, did their thing to it, so they came out and filmed about 10 months ago, and that was a whole day of filming, and that was really, really interesting. I think I might have mentioned it in a previous video, but we got the car back probably, I want to say, like 6 months ago. The episode is now streaming on Motor Trend app. Hopefully we don't look too dumb. I was ragging on my dad super hard because on the reveal day at Corvette Invasion, he refers to the scoop as a spoiler. He said he was so excited that he just completely forgot what he was talking about. He told the producers not to put it in there, but they obviously didn't care and still put it in there. So he was like, car has no spoiler, but the scoop is what they worked on. So car looks great. They lowered it, changed the stance, changed the wheels and tires, reupholstered the interior. The seats were really, really tall. I think they were out of maybe a C5 or a C4, and they were really, really tall. So they chopped them down and added some nice bolstering. Got some perforation in there, and just, I mean, the quality is high quality. So they feel really nice. They fit really good. They look like they fit the car more. The other ones weren't bad. It's just, you know, they stuck up really, really high. So this is just perfect, and they kind of hide away. So that's awesome. They rebuilt the exhaust by hand, as you'll see in some of the clips I'm showing you from the episode. The side of the exhaust would start to twist and bend, and we'd have to sometimes kick it over at a show because how much torque that engine, how powerful that engine is. It just shifts everything over with the vibrations. They didn't do anything to the engine as far as modifications. Everything pretty much was the way it was. They mainly just focused on the hood, and they did a really good job. The hood used to stick out about probably right here. I don't know the exact number of what they cut off, but it was fairly tall, and it had a 572 badge here, and this looks a lot cleaner without it. So super thrilled about that. Looks great. Another thing that is very, very cool about this car is the chassis is all tubular, completely changed out. You see down in there, it's all tubular. I wanted to get the car out today, but unfortunately, not that it's an issue, trust me, but it's not that easy to get these things out because this thing is under the knife currently, and it can't be moved under power of the car. So that's a project that is needing to get finished. That's a complete motor swap. And over here, we just took delivery of this, and this thing's bad to the bone. I'm not going to tell you what it is yet because I want to do a full video on that. This thing's been in, like, I don't know how many magazines, SEMA. This probably is the wildest build that we have in the shop, so super pumped about this one. Should I show you a piece of it? Man, I don't know. I don't want to ruin it. Scoot through here. that's enough. I love that truck. And that's gonna be the next video for sure. So yeah, I wanted to get the car out and do some rollers of it, get some exhaust note. You're gonna hear it in the unveil video that I will post from the show.
Oh yeah. Look at that. That's what I'm talking about.
What's funny is we had to do multiple takes of almost everything that we did for the filming. So it was super hot, and I wasn't at the unveil, I was out of the country, and they actually took the Corvette back to their shop, so it was like an unveil, but it wasn't an unveil. We came up with the idea of having it done for the show, like a week and a half before it actually happened, so for the Corvette Invasion show, so we put them in a bind, and they had to take the car back, but for TV, it looks real, so it is what it is. But that's the car. Hope you enjoyed. I do want to do more videos, like I said, for sure on this one. That's going to be a beast, especially when you see the motor and the exhaust and pretty much everything else about the truck. So stay tuned for that one. Super pumped, guys. Hopefully you watched the episode. Thanks for watching. Until next time, stay tuned.